All right, guys, how's it going? Doing our weekly update. Definitely made some progress this week. I think we are on week 6, I believe. I think last week I made the mistake of calling it week 6 when it was actually week 5. So we're around rank 22. I have pushed up to 15, but since the new Lightspeed bundle, it's been a little tougher. Same with the normal squad arena, getting kicked down to about 400s. I think we were around 300 something. So obviously now we have a bunch of new relics from the Lightspeed bundle. Still no GLs, which is good news. So I'm trying to hopefully there aren't too many whales. Same for Fleet Arena. I'm kind of hoping for the same thing. No Executor yet, which is good, but do see people with 7 stars. So I don't think there's too many whales. Normally you'll start seeing Executors sometimes in a week, 8, 9-ish. So we'll see what happens. Let's see how our farming's going. So same old schedule. We're farming all the bounty hunter ships, and I like to farm the separatist ships to get our malevolent going. Let's see. Well, that is farmed. For characters, we're trying to farm Imperial troopers. Someone told me, there is a Arnold 2025 I guess leveling guide or farming guide, pretty much exactly following his plan. So if anyone want to see how long it actually takes in real life to execute that plan, feel free to follow this account. So let's see, Captain Piet, got that farmed. Bosk, take a while. So let's see where we're at right now. So for the squads, Imperial troopers, I got the Geonosian Swarm. My goal is to get at least Sunfac, Soldier, and Spy up to gear 12 to help with the fleet arena. Right now, I'm trying to get the Phoenix squad up. And then once that's done, I'm also going to start leveling the Imperial troopers. I got the bounty hunters up, or the scoundrels up, for the credit and the drones, or the training droids. I maxed that out. You can probably max it out at level 70 characters. You don't have to go super crazy with the gear, to be honest. The other characters I do have Darth Vader. I gave the Zeta to Merciless Massacre, which is huge for GAC, pretty much a one-man wrecking crew for some easy flags. Other than that, I would say those are going to be my main squads right now. My ships is doing pretty good. It's reaching, I think it can go up to 15, sub 20 for sure, and just been leveling it up. And right now, we're going to see if we can do the last tier ship challenge, so we can start getting those shipbuilding omegas. So here we go. This is what we're talking about. What we really want is some of these shipbuilding omegas. Wow. All right, let's use some positive energy, guys. Okay, doing good. Yikes, that guy is thick. Oh, it's got armor on. Yikes. Okay, let's see if we can burn through him. All right. Good, good, good. I think we're doing good so far. Yikes. Hmm. Oof. Okay. I like where we're at. Oh, wow. Flawless victory, guys. Didn't lose one. 3 started up. There we go. Now we're in business. Hoping to get at least, we can get 4 or 5 each round. We can get 10 a week of these. I think we'll be in good shape for our fleet arena. There we go. Okay, maybe that's too ambitious. Maybe we get 7 a week, 6 or 7 a week will be good. Awesome. So now we have all of our short-term goals done. Let's do this. Grand Arena lost both these rounds. I think their GP was a lot higher. But I think this person's GP is right around our level. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. I think they only really have maybe 1, 2 teams. Everything else seems trash. But let's see what happens. Okay, they got a little bounty hunter group. And this is where I think a little risky, but screw it. Whew. There we go. Short man it, you get a couple extra points here and there. Let's see what they have in the back. Hopefully nothing. Okay, that's good. I'm thinking I can use my Phoenix squad here. Oh, wow. They're actually pretty thick. All right, this might hurt. All right, I think if we can get Boba Fett out of here. Okay, there we go. I think we got this. I love Phoenix that they auto heal up, protection, and health to get maximum banners. All right. I think we missed full protection on one of them, but that's okay. All right, with this, I think we can have just maybe the Geo Brood Alpha. I don't think we need some fac. Just a spy and probably soldier. Yeah, we can rock these. Short man, there we go. All right, doesn't look like there's much defense here either. I think that's good. We'll try to short man this as well. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we'll just one-shot these. Ah, oh, jeez. Okay. So those are good for defense, because as you can see, we lost out on the full protection. But overall, not a bad score. 883, not too shabby. So yeah, I think we did great. We finally got, the biggest thing out of the way, doing tier 4. This is amazing. With all these mats, our count should grow pretty good, and we have all of the other challenges on lock as well. We can just multi-sim it. So now we're on to the grinding phase, guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We should be able to keep going, keep farming, and we should have our executor in no time. And that, I will do another one next week. I'll see you guys then.